and hello everyone. I am Barsha, your Nepali language tutor. Today, in this video, we will learn about the name of fruits and vegetables. Let's begin with name of fruits. फलफुलहरूको नाम. Orange, सुन्तला, सुन्तला. Apple, स्याउ, स्याउ. Banana, केरा, केरा. Pomegranate, अनार, अनार. Guava, अम्बा, अम्बा. Lychee, we pronounce lychee as lychee in Nepali as well. Lychee, lychee. Persimmon, halua bed, halua bed. Peach, आरू, आरू. Pear, नास्पाती, नास्पाती. Plum, आरू पखडा, आरू पखडा. Sugarcane, उखु, उखु. Mango, आप, आप. Kiwi, we also pronounce kiwi as kiwi in Nepali. Kiwi, kiwi. Avocado, also same as English, avocado, avocado. Papaya, mewa, mewa. Watermelon, खरबुजा, खरबुजा. Pineapple, भुइँकटर. Please take a note, the written is भुइँकटहर, but ha is silence here, so we just read as भुइँकटर, भुइँकटर. Strawberry, strawberry, strawberry. It is also a little bit similar to English pronunciation. Grapes, अंगुर, अंगुर. Apricot, खुर्पानी, खुर्पानी. Fig, अंजीर, अंजीर. Grapefruit, फोकटे, फोकटे. Coconut, नरिवल, नरिवल. Now, let's learn name of vegetable, that is, तरकारीहरूको नाम. Cabbage, बन्दा, बन्दा. Eggplant, phanta, phanta. Please note, many Nepalese people also pronounce this as phanta, phanta. Carrot, gajar, gajar. Zucchini, हरियो फर्सी, हरियो फर्सी. Beetroot, चकुन्दर, चकुन्दर. Broccoli, broccoli, broccoli. Cauliflower, cauli, cauli. Cucumber, kakro, kakro. Mushroom, च्याउ, च्याउ. Onion, प्याज, प्याज. Peas, मटरकोसा, मटरकोसा. Capsicum, भेडे खुर्सानी, भेडे खुर्सानी. Chilli, खुर्सानी, खुर्सानी. Potato, आलु, आलु. Pumpkin, फर्सी, फर्सी. Radish, मुला, मुला. Corn, मकै, मकै. Tomato, गोलभेडा, गोलभेडा. Yam, तरुल, तरुल. Bottle gourd, लौका, लौका. Okra, चिप्ले भिन्डी, चिप्ले भिन्डी. Turnip, सलगम, सलगम. Spinach, साग, साग. Beans, Simi, simi. Coriander, dhania, dhania. Ginger, aduwa, aduwa. Garlic, lahsun, lahsun. Bitter gourd, tite karela, tite karela. Pointed gourd, parwal, parwal. Chayote, iskus, iskus. I have tried to include all the name of fruits and vegetables which are locally found in Nepal. If you want to learn any other new words of fruits and vegetables, please leave a comment below. And I hope this video was useful for you. Please do not forget to give like and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Namaste.